Choosing the right IT outsourcing model can make or break your operations. Every minute of downtime costs small firms around $427 and large ones up to $9,000. Patrick Burt, president and owner of Adram Systems Corporation, says, "Understanding your core competencies and where you need outside muscle will define whether staff augmentation or managed services delivers real, sustained value. Picking the wrong model can lead to spiraling costs or slow progress. Staff augmentation gives you quick access to specialized talent for short-term projects. You keep control, manage the team directly, and fill gaps fast. It's ideal for high-intensity projects or when your team needs extra hands without permanent hiring. Managed services, on the other hand, handle entire IT functions. Providers take responsibility for outcomes, compliance, and ongoing operations. This model suits long-term projects, regulatory-heavy work, or areas where downtime isn't an option. It offers predictability in cost and scalability as your business grows. Some providers even offer co-managed solutions, combining expertise with your existing team. The smartest approach can sometimes be a hybrid. Bring in specialized staff for urgent projects, then transition ongoing functions to managed services. The key is aligning your choice with your control needs, risk tolerance, and business goals. To dive deeper into cost insights and strategic guidance on choosing between staff augmentation and managed services, read the full article on our website. You can also add this episode to your playlist for easy reference.